No! 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 Okay. No, no! No! Oh, go! No! No! Oh! Ooh! Oh! No, 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 no! No, my God! No, no, no! Guys, no, no! Get out! Get out! Ow! Ow! Oh, my hair!
Gentlemen, welcome. What an honor to have you here. I'm Marty Stringer. I'm Congressman Baxter's Chief of Staff. This is Rita Daniels, his executive assistant.
Are you ready, sir?
No, 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 no! Dirty, 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 dirty! Say what?
Baxter's only a freshman, sir, but I think you'll find he is locked and loaded.
Good. Maybe this young stud can help me get these old bears on board.
Oh, you'll be impressed.
Gentlemen, good to see you.
Do you want to explain yourself, Congressman? What is going on?
Oh, these are birds.
What are they doing here? How did they get in here?
Well, that is an excellent question. And my response to said question is they are trained aviaries, sir. Let me make you see what I'm talking about.
I can make any sort of movement, and they will not get off.
Do you have a point, Congressman?
Hey, guys, what's the point? What's my point? Ow! I'll tell you. The point is that man needs to dominate creatures.
Oh, and ultimately, man must dictate what happens in this country. God bless America.
I couldn't agree more.
You have got to be kidding me.
No, of course not. We lost a huge project last year because of the red-headed woodpecker. Those environmentalists got so up in arms over the potential disappearance of one stupid bird.
Yeah, birds are stupid sometimes.
We lost over $25 million in business.
I see where you're going with this, Congressman. Good work. Your little display has obviously hit a chord. Gentlemen. From now on, let's keep the surprises to a maximum of, say, none. Understood?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
Oh. Evan, that was brilliant. Risky, but brilliant. Ooh.
What the heck?
I'll tell you one thing. These birds had a nice big meal before they flew in here.
You want me to get my BB gun?
You know what I want you to do? I want you to open the door.
Open the door.
Just open the door! Close the door after I leave! Just do it!
Okay.
1, 2, 3!
Man, if I get the bird flu, he is paying for my medical bills.